Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce a more user-friendly and efficient workflow when setting up data alerts. When analyzing insights in a sheet, you can right-click on any chart object to manage an existing or create a new data alert. When creating an alert from a chart, we have now pre-populated the title, measures used in the chart, as well as any values selected for your dimensions applied to the sheet. We have also pre-populated your first condition so you can see the data alert preview based on the condition set, enabling a more streamlined approach to creating data alerts for exception reporting. And don't forget, alerts that you create are also supported by the Qlik mobile app for iOS and Android, allowing you to see important changes in your data as it happens on the go. And that is your SaaS in 60.